Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A leak from the temperature and pressure relief valve (T&P) valve may be caused by overheating or excessive pressure inside the tank. Then turn the water and power, gas to your heater back on and observe the valve. If it continues to leak, shut everything off immediately and call a professional.
Let's help you make your mark.
Around 10 to 15 years. How long will my hot water heater last as I noticed it is leaking? Probably not long at all. Generally they last around 10 to 15 years if you're lucky. Take the warning sign and start to get ready to either buy a new one or be ready to deal with a flooded area and no hot water for a few days.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Anyway, you should consider replacing your water heater if it's about 6 to 12 plus years old and when you start running out of hot water faster. However, age and lack of hot water aren't everything. You could have a 15-year-old water heater that works just fine and wouldn't need replacing. Issues with the public water supply. 25 August 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 signs you need a new water heater. An old unit. If your water heater is older, you can find its exact age by looking for the serial number on the manufacturer's sticker near its top. Rusty water. If your hot water is rusty, your water heater could be rusting on the inside, and it might start leaking soon. Not enough hot water. Rumbling and noise. Leaks, the 21st of January 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.